what is extreme weather and what does it have to do with the climate crisis? And why is it not helpful when people say things like, oh, it's just 1,000 year storm or, et cetera?
Mm. Well, to begin with, we predicted exactly what we're experiencing right now with the highest temperatures ever recorded. We have on every continent of the planet life-threatening temperatures exceeding 40 degrees Celsius, in some places even 50 degrees Celsius, never recorded before the fires, the heat waves, the massive droughts and floods. These are way outside of any range of variability we've experienced since we started recording observations of extreme weather. And this was forecasted by climate science already 20 years ago in the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. It's quite extraordinary that this is fundamentally about physics, and the climate physics have been understood for a very long time, that when we emit greenhouse gases, this traps heat that otherwise would have left the planet to reach space, to keep the planet in a cool, stable, harmonious state. But instead, it traps the heat. When the heat increases, this leads to more evaporation, more high temperature in the atmosphere, and this change of weather patterns, which creates these extreme events. And what happens is that when temperatures rise, you get more water extremes, which is the first thing that happens. So you get more floods, yes, but you also get more droughts, which means that landscapes, large forest systems, grass systems, agricultural areas, urban areas, they dry out, and they become so dried out that you put a little flame into the system and you get these, you know, just extraordinary fires. And this is what we've been experiencing in a way that has never been recorded before, just over the past 10, 15 years. I mean, look at British Columbia and what happened when the town of Lytton was burnt down 5, 6 years ago. And now we have these unprecedented fires in France and Spain. So it all ties together. Global warming leads to more extreme weather events, which then hit people across the world. And we're today seeing exactly what we expected to see. And remember that this is happening on a planet that is warmed with 1.4 degrees Celsius of global mean surface temperature rise. So we are forced to learn, to understand that very small changes in how you increase the temperature on the planet leads to massive implications for people across the entire world. And that is, I think, what these extreme events fundamentally teach us.